Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to add menu via Excel in OMADE. First, go to www.homadefoods.com and click Sell Your Food, which will see at the top right of the site. This will lead you to a chef page. Here, scroll down to see Start Cooking, click that. This will lead you to a chef registration page. Here, click Sign In, which will see at the top right of the site. Here, enter the registered email ID and click Next. And enter your Home Chef account password and click Next. And you will see your dashboard. Here, click the three lines which you will see at the top left of the site and click Category. This will lead you to a menu editor. Here, normally what we do is to edit the menu manually. But to those who want to add a large number of items, OMADE gave you an option where you can add the items in Excel. It's an easy method, and let's discuss how it's done. First, let's read these warnings. File should contain only data and image should be uploaded separately. Don't change the fields format, it may cause any error. What these 2 points are trying to say is, don't change anything in the Excel. The format should be strictly followed. And now, click sample data. Here, a sample format is downloaded. Click the sample format. This will lead you to a sample menu in Excel format. Here, if you see, the sample menu is written in a certain format. And the format specified here is very important. Please follow the format strictly or it won't give you the desired results. Now, let's start crafting our menu. First thing you should do is to appropriate things for your convenience. Next thing is, let's remove the languages we don't need. I'm going to remove the Portuguese and Arabic language. And the very important thing here is, after every data you leave, you have to put a space after it. Like this. It's very important. Or else the Excel file won't get uploaded into the website. So when you are removing the languages, kindly check that you keep a space after everything. See, like this. Can you see my cursor? Like this. After your item, there should be a space. Like this. I'm going to repeat the same for everything. After removing all the languages, it will look something like this. And see, in every item there will be a space. So this is the sample data. And everything is all set. And now, let's add some of our dishes. Here, this is the menu head. And this is the category. And this will be your item name. And here you can set your price, description, your tax percentage, and the item's visibility status. Now let's add our own menu head. First, we have to specify the language and then put a space and then put a semicolon and then put a space, and then let's add our menu head and then leave a space. That's very important. After adding your menu head, we can go on and add our category. After you specify your language, put a space and then a semicolon and put a space and then add a category. Let's add a category like fries and a space and follow the same format here also. Language, space, semicolon, space, and then your item name and then a space, and then here you can add your price. Let's put it as $5 and then follow the same step here too. This is for your description, and then add your tax percentage. And here for the tax part, you have to check your state sales tax and kindly enter the same. For now, I'm going to enter the Washington sales tax, which is 6.5. And then your item visibility, let it be in small letters. Let's add few more items under the category fries. And then the price. And then the description. Let's add the same description. Tax is going to be the same in all the items. Your item visibility. Now that you are familiar with the format, you can delete the default menu and craft your own menu. After deleting all the sample menu, let's drag the menu we created all the way to the top. Let's add another menu head. Let's add a category here. And then put a space. And then let's add some items. Your language. Add a space. Put up a price. And then for description, after entering your description, put a space. And then tax is going to be the same. And then put up an item visibility status. I'm going to leave it as inactive. Let's add another category. And then a space. For item name. And then let's add the price. Let it be $7. And then for the description, and then we have the tags here, and then add the status. Let it be active. Okay, this will do. After entering all the items, save the Excel sheet, and in the menu editor, click choose file, and then attach the menu which you have created just now. After attaching, click import. It will show something like this, and click open your restaurant. This is just a refreshing process, so nothing to worry about. And then click the three dots, category, and you will see the created menu will be added to the default menu here. See? And just for the item image, you have to put it manually. And to delete all the default menu head, just click the three dots which you will see at the menu head and click delete. And then click submit. This is how you will delete all the menu head which you don't want. And that's how you craft your menu via Excel and upload it to a menu editor. Thank you for choosing OMADE and have a wonderful journey with us.